Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys this easy smoky eye look, and let's get right into the video. Okay, to prime my eyes, I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 15, and I'm just going to be blending it out with a Morphe brush. The palette I'll be using today is by Vaulte, and this is their Parsipal palette. I'm going in with the shade Abode, and I'm going to be applying this right on my crease, as this is going to be my transition shade. Next shade I'm picking up is Phone, and I'm using the same brush by Wet n Wild. Now this is going to be going right below the Abode shade, and I'm just going to be blending it out as well. So I'm going back and forth, picking up a little bit of Abode and Phone at the same time, and I'm just really blending those shades together. I don't want it to have any harsh lines or anything, so I'm just picking up as I need to. And the final shade I'm using is this black. It is called Midnight, and I'm using a flat brush. I'm just going to be applying it all over my lid, and I'm also going to pick up a little bit of a Phone, and I'm going to blend those shades together. The brush I'm using is the same brush. It is by Wet n Wild. It's just a simple blending brush, but it's one of the best brushes I've ever had. So yeah, I'm just picking up the Phone shade, and I'm blending those shades together. Just blend, blend, and blend away. And to really just blend everything together and get rid of the harsh lines, I'm using a clean blending brush, and I'm just going all around it. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes, and the eyelashes I'm using today are by Cavalli Lash, and I really forgot to just insert a picture of them, but they're called Fuego. So I'm just going to be applying these on, and the glue I'm using is by Kiss Products, and it is a clear glue. And I'm using this Maybelline illuminating pencil for eyeliner, so I'm just going to be applying it on my waterline. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm going in with Phone, and I'm using a pencil brush. I'm just going to be blending this right across it. Now I'm picking up High Top, and I'm going to be applying this in the inner corners of my eyes. It works really good. It's a really bright, shimmery, goldish shade. I've used it as a highlighter as well, and it's really pretty. And for my lips, I'm going to be using this NYX dark brown pencil. I'm just going to be lining my lips with this one. Now I'm going in with this Beauty Vault matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade About Amie. So I'm just going to be filling in my lips with this lipstick. I have a discount code with them. It is Olivia if you guys want to use it and get some money off of your order. Alright you guys, and this is a final look. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!